Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little Dollar Tree haul. I noticed they had a bunch of fashion masks. These are the kids ones, and then they had adult ones that were kind of like camouflage printing, but look at it's like one whole piece, no elastic. The entire thing is stretchy, like a stretchy material. So they had a bunch of cute girl ones. I got the unicorn, and then the boy one, we got the spaceship one. I mean, these masks go missing and you literally can't get in a store in California without one. So good to have extras. Next, I picked up one of these little straw bales. I'm going to use this for my 3-tier tray that I have in my kitchen for fall and Halloweenish. Then they had some new Halloween decor out. They didn't have this last time I went, but they have a bunch of like femur bone in different sizes, which are going to be super cute for Happy Mail. You can paint these, alter these. I do think I'm going to try to pierce them and make like dangles with a couple of the long ones. I think that would be cute. Next, they also have these. Usually they have these hands on like clips and stuff, but it was nice to see that they're just in there alone by themselves, and it comes with a lot, 10 of them, and you can paint those as well. And then I picked this up. I'm going to decorate it for my little tray thingy that I have. And then I got one of these. This is a glass, just a plain black mug. And I did get a cream colored one as well, and I already altered it. I painted the inside orange, and then I added some font. It's called Skinny Font that you download for free on dafont.com. So it kind of looks just like the real Rae Dunn. I mean, the cup is even almost exact the same color, but the font's a little bit different, but it looks the same, you know? It looks just as cute, and I'm going to use this for my little tray, but a Halloween version. Next, I picked up this little like chalkboard. This kind of looks like a material black versus like a real chalkboard, so I don't know how well that will erase. I'll see, but it's got the little wood frame around it. And then I picked up this. It's a little like photo frame with like a faux wood grain on it. It just clips on. Whoa. It just clips the photo on. I'm going to use that for my tray. I don't have any brown acrylic paint, and the entire section was fully stocked on all the colors of acrylic paint. So I got this deep brown color. Next, I got this. It's like a little shadow where you put money in it. But I'm going to use this, turn it upside down, and make a little Halloween shadow box like Christina. Next, I picked up these cute little they're little wood shapes. They're hanging decor. I'm not going to use it for that, but I am going to alter these. I'll show you once I do that. And they had other shapes as well. They had hearts and like a frame style one, and I think a star or something. I can't remember. Next, I got this. I'm going to alter this. I saw somebody cut this top part off, so I'm going to do that as well. And then they have these little like pumpkin shaped things. I'm going to use this one for Halloween. I'm just going to use the back side of it if I can get this off right without having to paint it. But we'll see. This little faux succulent. This is going to be for my little tray as well. And then last but not least, I picked up this. This is in the like bathroom section. They had like little sets. I'm going to see if this comes off with some acetone so that I can alter this and make this like Rae Dunn. Oh yes, okay, now we're talking. Okay, so it's a little trinket dish for your soap, but I'm gonna make like there's lots of Rae Dunn trinket dishes, and I'm gonna do this in Halloween with some black vinyl or orange vinyl, and I think that'll be super cute. All right, so that is it for my Dollar Tree haul, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.